Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to quit a job on GTA Online. So, to quit a job at first, you must be doing a job or be joined in a job. And to quit it, all you have to do is just press the escape button on your keyboard. As you press it, there's a lot notification pops up on your screen. If you are sure you want to quit this job, just hit enter. If you are not, just press escape again and go back to the game. As you can see, I have quit the job. So guys, that's how you quit the job on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.